Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 13. This is Section 1.4, Problem 13. Find 485 less than 2,397. So we have to do a subtraction. The 2,397 is the larger number. I will write it first on top. And then beneath it, I will write 485 so that the rightmost digits line up vertically. And now I will do the subtraction. So the far right column of digits, I have 7 minus 5, which is 2. The next column of digits to the left, I have 9 minus 8, which is 1. The next column of digits to the left, I have 3 minus 4. Now I have to borrow. 3 is not large enough to subtract 4 from. So I go to the next column of digits to the left, I find a 2 on top. I cross off the 2, reduce it to a 1. Now what was a 3, I can put a 1 in front of and change that 3 to a 13. So now I have 13 minus 4, which I can do. That's 9. And then the last column of digits to the left, I have 1 minus nothing underneath it, which is just 1. So the answer is 1,912. And if you like to use commas, you can put a comma after the 1 for 1,912.